Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if you are stuck on home would like to send you critical alerts. So guys, here I will show you how can you easily fix this problem if you are unable to use your device and the screen of your device is freezing and it is not working anymore. So guys, watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, there is only one solution to fix this problem. If you're facing this problem in your iPhone, that is you will have to force restart your device. So guys, if you want to force restart your device, you will have to simply press and release the volume up button and then press and release the volume down button, and then you will have to keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, once you restart your device, the problem will be fixed. So guys, here I will show you how can you restart your device. So guys, press and release the volume up button and then down, and then keep holding the power button. So guys, here you will see my device will get restart. So guys, wait for some seconds until the Apple logo appears. Here you can see this. Wait for some seconds. So guys, here you can see the problem is fixed now. I can use my device. It is working. Here you can see, give the passcode for your iPhone and it is working. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.